2012 Tundra 5.7 liter. I'm going to be doing an install with a Dynomax 17519 muffler. It's going to be 2 in, 1 out. It's going to take two 2.5 inch sticks from O'Reilly's, 1 Dynomax 17519 muffler, and 1 3-inch Dynomax stainless tip. So I've made this template. It has 1 3-inch and 1 2.5 inch cutout, so I can size up my pipe. So obviously this is about 2 inches, 2.5 inches. So we have 2.5 inches going in. This is a shade narrow of 2.5 inch at this end. This end is the same, a shade narrow of 3 inches. So we need to cut the muffler real close to the weld on both ends and reinstall our pipe. Okay, now I've got my pipes cut off and cleaned up, both ends. I have my short pipes sections welded into my muffler, cut to length, and cleaned up. So now I'll do my install of actually putting the muffler on the car and welding in place. I have my muffler fit in place and aligned with the truck. So here we go, all installed, finished. Touched up on a little bit of paint on the welds. Three-inch tip installed, a little tough. Had to do some shimming on the pipe after I cut it, but I got it on there. Looks pretty good. Here's the end. This is what I cut off. The tailpipe. The cuts at the muffler, both ends, at the weld. Still to do it. Got to do an install on the that last hanger, but pretty good for right this second. I'll do a start up.
nice sound, a lot better than I expected. Kind of a magnet flow, soft at idle. It's pretty aggressive on the throttle, but not overall too much, I don't think. So, appreciate it.